In this video, we will see about do-while loops. This is the continuation of the two previous videos. Let's get to the explanation. So, what's the need for the do-while loop, while we have the other two loops? In a while loop, the test expression is evaluated at the beginning of the loop. If the test expression is false when the loop is entered, the loop body won't be executed at all. In some situations this is what you want. But sometimes you want to guarantee that the loop body is executed at least once, no matter what the initial state of the test expression. When this is the case, you should use the do loop, which places the test expression at the end of the loop. As in this example, the contents are placed inside the loop body first, and the condition is placed after the loop body. The condition, as in while loop, is placed inside the parenthesis. The do keyword denotes the contents to be executed. Always try placing the while statement adjacent to the loop body, because when someone looking at your code may think that is a separate while loop. In here, the loop executes for one time though the condition fails. So, that's all. In addition to that, we can do anything that can be done with the while loop. This is a short video. I recommend you to go through the previous videos about loops. Thank you.